Thank you for joining Greater Renovation Associates, LLC. Today we will be repairing a set of front porch steps. This is a picture of the after once we complete. Demo has started. We will take all the stair treads off and replace all the stair stringers. Now it is time to start rebuilding the steps. We'll start with making sure the stringers are level and in the correct place and keep it going. We leveled the stringers on top of pavers so the actual stringer did not come in contact with the ground, which will keep the longevity of the wood. We are now finished. We're going to let it dry out for a couple of months, let it off gas. That'll give the stain or paint a better chance to soak into the wood. 2 months have now passed. We come back, we make a couple corrections on your landing where there's a little blemished wood or chips, and we paint the landing and the steps all the same color. Another happy client. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Beats by Will the Great 3.